In crew cab models, you'll not only fold the rear bench seat for storage capacity, but also if and when you need to remove the jacking tools stored behind it. First, lift up on this lever located on the outside of the seat, at the same time lifting the front of the seat cushion up. Then fold the bottom of the seat cushion toward the back of the vehicle until it locks in place. For additional storage, simply follow this same procedure with the seat cushion on the other side of the vehicle. To return the cushions to seating positions, reverse the process, making sure that the seat cushions are locked firmly in place. Please be aware that your jack and tools are located behind the rear bench seat. To access them, tilt the rear seat back forward by lifting up on this pull strap behind the seat back. When returning the seat back to the upright position, always be certain it is completely secured in the latched position. King cab models have rear jump seats, as opposed to bench seats. To fold these seats, simply lift up or push down on the seat cushion until it reaches the desired position. The passenger side jump seat is equipped with a seat extension. To access the extension, fold the jump seat up, then pull the bottom of the extension out and up. Now unfold the two support legs and lower the jump seat until the legs rest firmly on the floor. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.